Hey guys, HavasuLew out in Lake Havasu. We're on our way out to the Refuge Golf Course to take a look at a newly reduced pool home. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here in the Refuge at 1775 East Tradition Lane. This one just had a recent price reduction, $1,099,000. Great location, close to the desert and to the clubhouse. Doing some construction across the street. Everything's obviously really nice inside here. So everything's on underground utilities here. So all these homes also have natural gas. So inside the Refuge, you have to meet architectural guidelines and, get all your plans approved. Kind of keeps the congruency of the neighborhood. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home inside the Refuge. 2,407 square feet. Sits on a 9,583 square foot lot that backs right to the fairway. You have a couple bedrooms and a bathroom at the front entry with a little hall closet and a big steel door, tall ceilings. So this is a nice custom home, nice big granite counters with the island and little beer fridge it looks like. Again, this is on natural gas, so it has the gas range. Upgraded cabinets, under lighting on the cabinets, stainless appliances. Has all the updated cabinets with the soft touch close. There's a brand new wine and beer fridge right here. Huge tall ceilings with pot shelf lighting, can lights. Got your little pantry. This is a split floor plan, so you have the guest beds at the front of the house and then the master at the rear. Got little double doors out to the backyard pool area. Some built-in shelves in here. Real nice gas fireplace with stonework. Goes all the way up to the ceiling. So you have about 3 in-floor power outlets. So when you put your couches and furniture in, you have power. Okay, so you have your master on the back of the house. Also has another guest bathroom, access to the laundry and garage. And then you have your master. It's a good size, tall ceilings, a couple can lights. They put in big windows in the back so you have fairway and your pool views. Window shot out to the pool and fairway. So you also have a big master bath, granite tops, dual vanities, tall ceilings, can lights, jetted tub, nice big window view. You have your walk-in tiled shower. Tile goes all the way to the ceiling. They did all the updated cabinets in here with the soft touch close. All 8-foot 4-hinge interior doors. You have your water closet with a separate door. Big walk-in closet with some built-in shelves. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have this little alcove and a hall closet right off the entry. You have your guest bathroom, solid surface granite counters, again, tall ceilings, walk-in tiled shower. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Has a couple can lights that are individually turned on and off. You have your glassed double door closet doors, little built-ins in here as well. So you have bedroom number 3, kind of at the side of the house, just kind of the same mirror as the other bedroom. Same double-doored glass closet doors, couple can lights. All right, we're back over on the master side. So this is kind of a little hallway access, and then you have another third guest bath, granite counters. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you have your indoor laundry with another fridge. Nice, same updated cabinets. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. Has some built-ins. The 2-car side is 28.5 feet deep, and the boat deep site is 43 feet deep, both 9-foot insulated doors. Got your air handler, RO system, water softener, water heater. Does have epoxy floors. Some storage. Air handler number 2. This does have 2 AC units. All right, so you have your double doors out to the backyard pool area. Real nice tongue and groove style patio cover. So you have a little gas fire pit. Looks like travertine decking, travertine coping. It's kind of a little big hot tub is really what this is. Of course, it is heated. So there was a question about if this pool could be remodeled and made bigger, and we were getting some different answers, but the right answer is yes. You can actually bring it inside and under the patio cover. It just takes a little bit more engineering and a little bit more steel, but it's actually not that expensive to do. So yes, it can be done. So you have all your pool equipment. Looks like it's on an automated Pentair system. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Tradition Lane. Again, this one was just reduced to $1,099,000. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys can always get the latest pictures and price and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.